Imagine growing a YouTube channel to thousands of views without ever showing your face. Sounds impossible? Stay with me, because in this video I'll show you how to create professional faceless YouTube videos using two tools, ChatGPT and Flow. Let me ask you, have you ever watched a motivational video, a tutorial, or even an animated story and realized the creator never appeared on the screen? That's the power of faceless YouTube channels. They're easier to produce, you can stay anonymous, and you can build income streams without a camera. But here's the catch. Tools alone won't make your channel blow up. The real key is creating videos consistently. Step 1 is generating content ideas. Watch this. This is ChatGPT 5. Write me a 3-minute motivational script about building discipline with quotes and a strong ending. This is the motivational script, the power of discipline. We have the opening, the storytelling, the emotional drive, and the ending. And now we're going to rewrite this in prompts so we can copy and paste this in Flow. Now we're going to copy this and paste it in Flow. And this is the video, guys.
Every dream you have, every goal you've written down, every vision you carry in your heart fitty, it all comes down to one thing: discipline.
In Flow, we can add more scenes from every prompt that we have. So here's the workflow you should copy. Brainstorm and script with ChatGPT. Second is build the video in Flow. Third, you can customize the visuals and the pacing. Fourth, export and upload the video on your YouTube channel. And the last word, repeat, is the secret. You don't need one perfect video. You need many good videos published consistently so the algorithm starts recommending you everywhere. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.